Good morning, children. How are you? All are happy? Okay. So, remember, what are you learned? Friday. Someone would say. So, let us, that day is started lesson 3rd, fibers to fabric. Okay. The lesson is some parts I am saying. That is fibers is given wool, that is thread, our clothing material, that fibers that is given in sheep, animals and plants. Yes or no? Okay. So today, which animals is today is details studying sheep. The sheep is processing fibers into wool. Sheep is gives us wool. Sheep is gives us wool. The sheep is gives us wool. So processing fibers into wool. More process is how sheep is a wool is how that is taking that more process is how once the reared sheep have developed a thick coat of hair. Reared sheep is a covering, thick coat of hair is how. This is a thick coat of hair. Sheep is this is a sheep. This is a thick coat of the thick coat of hair. It is shaved off for getting wool. This is a shaving. Our hair is cutting now sometime, that is a that cutting that like that only method, that is otherwise your parents, your father is shaving doing no like that only doing process, that is a sheep hair is cutting. Wool is obtained from the sheep, wool is obtained from the sheep, that is a long process is how. Let us study that process is today. Okay. So that process is a first one is shearing. First process is shearing. That is shearing. That shearing is second process is scouring. Second process is scouring. Scouring. So third process is sorting. Third process is sorting. Fourth one combing. Fourth one combing. Fifth one dyeing. Fifth one dyeing. Sixth one spinning. This process is how? Spinning. So that is this is the process of spinning. Okay. So sixth process is how wool is obtained from the sheep is a long process is how, that is a sixth process is how first one shearing, second one scouring, third one sorting, fourth one combing, fifth one dyeing, sixth one spinning. Okay, sixth process here. So details is studying. First one, what is shearing? What is shearing? Shearing is the process removing hair. Removing hair. Removing hair from the body. From the body of sheep. Removing hair from the body of sheep. From the body of sheep. From the body of sheep. Removing hair from the body of sheep, that is a shearing process. Okay, look at here, shearing, removing the hair. So this is a shearing. So removing the hair, the fleece of sheep along with thin layer of skin is peeled from the body of sheep. It is done manually with large razor or electrically driven shearing machine is how. Large scissors is how. Scissors is taken, this is cutting, that body hair is cutting. Our head only hair is how. That is scissor taken cutting, no, like that same method only complete cutting. Otherwise complete removing. Okay, so this type removing the hair from the body of sheep is called shearing. This is a shearing process. You are thinking that is our hair is cutting time, our any problem, a pain coming away, our hair cutting pain is coming. No, that is this is a dead only. This hair is dead only. Not pain is not came. Outer skin is dead only. So like that only shearing does not hurt the sheep. Shearing time not pain in the sheep, and because the uppermost layer of the skin of sheep is dead. Uppermost layer of the sheep skin, the skin, sheep skin, uppermost layer is dead. dead, uppermost layer is dead. Afterwards that is shearing after again 1 month, 2 months after that sheep is again new hair is growing. Our also complete is hair is cutting after new hair is growing, no, like that same method only, that is any problem is not there. So that after that is sheep are sheared early summer so that do not feel heat. Summer seasons very heat, that time only this hair is cutting. That time hair cutting, why? That is summer season very hot, complete hair have more dust is have, more sweat is have, that very hot, body also very hot. That time is hair complete cutting, freely air also passing. So that after winter season time, that complete hair is growing in sheep. Okay, understand? Shearing. Second process is scouring. Scouring is the process of washing the fleece. F-L-E-E-C. Washing the fleece of sheep. Washing the fleece of sheep means that is thin coat of wool, that is a washing. Why are you washing it? That hair is a more dust particles have, dirty particles have, waste materials is have, complete have. So that is a hairing after, that is a full big tank is look at here, that is process of washing fleece of sheep, remove dust, dirt, sweat, grease, etc. This is a scouring process. So this is a big tank is have, fleece of sheep contain dust is have, vegetable matter is have, though fleece are thoroughly cleaned by washing with soap or detergent. Soap is added. Our also dress is washing, soap is adding. Otherwise soap powder is adding. Where is adding? Water only. More water is wanted. Like that the same very big tank is kept and more water is added, and after soap also there is kept in, that is a wool is kept and washing. That is after that washing process is a scouring process. Next one, sorting process. Sorting is the process of separating, separating, separating the long fine quality fleece, fleece means hair, fleece, from the remaining interior quality or broken piece. So sorting means that first one shearing is removing the hair, next is scouring is washing that hair or fleece or sheep. After this process, separating long fine quality of fleece from the remaining interior quality or broken piece. Sometimes this is here, look at here, that is sorting times, the after scouring, wool is separated or sorted into various categories. This is look at here, this is a sorter man working in the wool industries. Is a qualities how, interior qualities how, inferior qualities how, that it take it and are separate is keeping. So this is the process of separating long fine quality fleece. So this is here. So scouring finished after, more wool is how, that wool is this is a thread. This is thread, sometime we are taking means this is fastly is not removed, not broken. This is not broken. So this is a fine quality thread. Some thread is not fine. That is sometime this is not fine. This is this like that only going. See. That is not fine. This is a inferior quality thread. Inferior, look at it. here inferior quality thread. Like that, wool also inferior quality thread is have. That is a inferior quality thread, and a broken piece also have. That is separate. Broken piece is separate keep, and inferior quality thread is separate keeping. That method is called sorting. Next one, combing. Next, combing means that is a combing. Combing method is the process, the combing method process, removing the burrs, B-U-R-R-S. Burrs means tiny knots, K-N-O-T-S, tiny knots, removing the burrs from the fleece is called, from the fleece. So removing the burrs. So if fleece combine, remove the burrs. Burrs means that is a more fleece of hair, or wool is how, that is separate. Inferior quality thread is keep, and other broken pieces is keep. After what doing, big thread is taken tight and keep. That is a burrs method. Tight and keep. That is a burrs method. Tie. That is a tie. That is a tie is a tight and keep. That method is combing. Next one, dyeing. Dyeing means, look at here, dyeing. That is the natural fleece of sheep is black, brown or white in color is how. Natural sheep is which color is how? Black, brown, white. This three type is how. Really sheep color is a black, white, brown only. So sometimes sweater, woolen cloth is sweater is how. Sweater red color is how, green color is how, yellow color is how. So more items color is how. Really sheep color is brown, white, black. Why are like that color is changing? So that is adding detergent or dyeing, that is color is adding. That method is the fibers obtained after combing, after dyed in various colors. That various colors is adding, that process is called dyeing. Okay. Next one, spinning. Spinning is this is after all finished, after is fibers take and like that only spinning. This is a spinning yarn. This is a yarn. Okay. This yarn thread taken. This is a cotton cloth only. Woolen cloth like that doing like this doing. Okay, understand? That is a yarn or spinning. That is the quality. What is spinning? The quality of wool is judged on the basic thickness, length, shine, strength, fineness of the fibers. So this is the spinning method. Straightened fibers are spun or twisted together, make a yarn. This is a make a yarn type of this is fibers is making. The wood yarn is either knitted or woven. The longer fibers are knitted wool of the setters, and shorter fibers are woven into wool cloth. So longer fibers is making sweaters, and short fibers is making and woolen cloth. Okay, this is a spinning method. Okay, this is a items understanding the process of fibers in the wool. The 6 step is how: shearing, scouring, sorting, combing, dyeing, spinning. Okay, understand? Here that one box is you have multiple choice question. That question answer you are only writing, read and writing. Wool is not obtained from dash. That is sheep have, Kashmiri goat have, yak, cow. That is a correct answer. You are right. Coats wool obtained from Lohi, Rampur, Bushire, Marwari, Padanwadi. Next one, the process of removing hair of body is sheep is called. That answer. After scouring, the next process is dash. The fleece or sheep combed to remove dash. This answer, this is textbook, read and write that answer also. So again, any doubt have afterwards ask me. Okay, thank you children.